Do not buy PS4 games. I will not going to buy PS4 games. I will not going to buy anything PS4 games in Japan. That's really enough. It's already stopped. Like I said before, like Sir Paulo Cuba said, ang dami na. Sobra na. That's what we have to do. So, we should not buy PS4 games in Japan anymore. That's enough. It's too much. You know, all of my PS4 collection, I got all those stuff that I bought it. The one of my PS4 game is 2019 Call of Duty Modern Warfare. Another one is the Tom Clancy Ghost Recon Wildlands and Breakpoint. My mom bought it um, in SM North EDSA. Another one is in SM Grand Central. And another one, the PS4 game that my dad bought it, Tom Clancy Division and Sniper Ghost Warrior Contract 2. And I bought it in Japan, in Osaka, Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, and even all the type of PS4 games I bought. Even Call of Duty World War 2 and Call of Duty um, um, Black Ops Cold War. I have that game. But the another part is I'll never buy a PS4 game in Japan. But I was told by JD Biniegas, I bought Ghost of Tsushima, the favorite of JD Biniegas, the PS4 game. And another one, the favorite of Lawrence Villawan is Need for Speed Heat. But I will no longer to buy PS4 game in Japan in April because it's really too much. It's really too many stuff. Oh, I'll be like JM Bansisho, ha. It's too many stuff. You know, JM when they're in Japan, he bought new shoes. He bought everything. Oh, I don't want to be another JM, a video gamer, and also a gamer just like JD Biniegas. Oh, I don't want to be happen that I said I would buy a PS4 game. That's really enough. You know, it's very enough. I already have lots of PS4 games. My mom said to me, it's too much. Wag ka na bumili. Oh, that's what I said. It's too much. So I am no longer to buy a PS4 game in Japan in April. But in April, I will look their model cars. I will look their Ayoshima Snap Kit. I will look their Tamiya miniature soldiers. That's all in Japan. You know, I'll buy the Tamiya miniature soldier that I was requested by Tito Mac, Russian Spetsnaz, Russian paratrooper in Afghanistan. And another one, I'll buy Ayoshima Snap Kit that I was requested by Kuya MA, that Nissan, I mean that not Nissan Skyline, I mean Toyota Toyota 86 that was in Ghost and MF in an anime series. So I'll buy all the I will find those two. So I will collect it in my stuff. So I will not going to buy PS4 games anymore. That's really enough. That's really too much. You know, my mom said to me, ang dami na. That's really enough.